In this video, I'm going to show you the most important and simple steps to fix the E0 error on your HP deskjet printer. This applies to most deskjet 2000, 600, 2000, 700, and 2800 series printers, and even other models with the same error. Just follow these steps one by one. For that, 1. Understand the error. E0 means unusable cartridge. The printer is not accepting one or both ink cartridges. 2. Check if the ink is empty. If the cartridges are old or have run out of ink, replace them with new ones first. 3. Use genuine HP cartridges. Non-HP or compatible third-party cartridges may not be recognized and can trigger the E0 error. 4. Power reset the printer. Turn the printer off, unplug the power cable, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in, then turn it on. 5. Open the ink cartridge access door. Let the carriage move to the center. 6. Remove both cartridges. Take them out carefully. 7. Check protective tape. Make sure all orange or blue protective tape or film is completely removed from the copper contacts, nozzle area. 8. Check correct placement. Reinstall cartridges in the right slots. Color on the left, black on the right. Push until they click. 9. Close all printer doors and lids properly and let the printer initialize. 10. Try new HP 305 or 305 XL cartridges or the model specified on your printer if the error still appears. 11. If the error continues after new cartridges and reset, perform a factory reset of the printer, then reinstall cartridges. 12. If nothing works, contact HP support or replace the printer, as the cartridge sensor may be faulty.